Hello, can you hear me? हेलो जुनेद, सुनाई दे रहा है आवाज?
यस सर।
शाक, शाक, कहाँ भाग गया? अभी तो था। Yesterday's question was the greatest integer which is less than equal to this. Any answer from your side? Hello, the voice is clear?
यस सर, क्लियर।
The same way we start with root 2 minus 1. The proper fraction. Now, consider first term to the power 6, rational term. So we have to put here plus. First term will be added, second term will be cancelled. Okay. 1 square plus 64. Is it correct? Is it okay or shall I expand both? I put here plus because in the first term will be root 2 to the power 6. So first term will be added in both the expansion. Second term will get cancelled. It will be plus, it will be minus. Okay. First term, third term, fifth term, all will be added. Okay, seventh term. Now this equals 2 to the power 2 cube.
Sir, it is root 2 minus, no, sir. Root 2 minus 1 whole power 6.
Yeah, this one.
Yes, sir.
I proved now this is proper fraction. Root
No,
2
sir, I'm
minus-
asking, it is not visible to me somewhat. My net is somewhat not
Okay.
coming, sir.
So this will be 2 cube. 60.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, we have to take an minus, no, sir, in between, because we have to cancel the irrational term.
Wait. Shall I expand it properly? See,
Yes,
I told
sir.
you, don't take it negatively. Whenever any topic starts, at least 1 day or 2 day maximum. Minimum 1 day, maximum 2 days. You spend in some basic book. You won't find more than clarity for basics in either NCERT book or IPE textbook. Okay. Minimum 1 day, maximum 2 day. Whenever we start a new topic, you spend there. Basics will be clear. And I am telling you, in no other book, basic things are better than in these two books. See, root 2 plus 1 to the power 6 plus root 2 minus 1 to the power 6 equals, I am expanding term by term. 6c0 root to the power 6 minus 6c1 root to the power 5 plus, all the terms will be plus. 6c2 root to the power 4, 6c3 root to the power 3, 6c4 root to the power 2 plus 6c5 root 2 plus 66. I've written here plus 6c0 root 2 to the power 6 minus 6c1 root 2 to the power 5 plus 6c2 root 2 to the power 6 2 to the power 4 minus 6c3 root 2 to the power 3 6c4 root 2 square minus 6c5 root 2 plus 66. See, what I said, we don't want irrational term. We want only rational term. What is root 2 to the power 6? It's rational. We'll think of only this root 2. Anyway, it is rational. Root 2 to the power 6 is rational. Root 2 to the power 5 is irrational. We want second term to get cancelled. So what sign we should put here so that these two terms will get cancelled?
Plus.
Right. Should be plus.
Yes, sir.
So first term we want to be added, second term we want to be cancelled. Keeping in mind, I put here plus so that first term in both the expansion will be added, second term gets cancelled, third term will be added, fourth term gets cancelled, fifth term will be added, sixth term will get cancelled, seventh term will be added. Okay? Keeping in mind that we want only rational term. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. 2 cube, 62, 15 into 4, 64, 15, sorry, here root 2 square. 15 into 2 plus 1. Now, this is proper fraction. Two times of 8, 60, 30, minus, changing this term right side. This becomes root 2 plus 1 to the power 6. 99, 198. 198 minus something. Okay, what is the question? Greatest integer which is just less than or equal to root 2 plus 1 to the power 6. What is the integer? This value is less than 198. It is 198. It's a proper fraction. Proper fraction should be positive. So what should we do? 198 minus 1 plus 1 root 2 minus 1 to the power 6. 197 plus 1 minus root 2 minus 1 to the power 6. This is integral part. This is fraction part.
Yes, sir.
Any real number, this is some real number. We are able to write it some integer plus some proper fraction. So the greatest integer, which is just less than equal to this, is which one?
197.
197. The answer is 197. The same question if they ask the find the integer just greater than this. What is the answer? Find the integer which is just greater than this.
198.
198. Both way they can ask. The concept is same, the method is same. Okay, just for practice, I'm writing some mains level question. Okay, one by one I'm giving. Same question, just I'm writing mains question. Shall I repeat?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Whatever we have discussed based on that, whatever the mains question came, I am writing that today. Then we'll move to next concept.
Done, sir.
Question is, n belongs to I plus. Then, just one line question, think of. root 3 plus 1 to the power 12 minus root 3 minus 1 to the power 12 is n. First option is rational number. Second option, odd positive integer.
Sir,
Uh,
sir, the upper part is not visible.
for all,
Yes, sir, now visible.
an even positive integer. D. A rational number. Just one line. First term will get cancelled. What is the answer?
Irrational number.
What's your name?
Isaac.
Any other? Any other answer? See, no need to calculate anything. The first term will get cancelled. The second term will be added. Two terms. 2 and C 1. Root 3 to the power 2n minus 1 odd. It's an irrational number. Root 3 to the power odd integer. It's an
Irrational number.
irrational number. All irrational number will remain same. 2 and C 3. First term, third term, all will get cancelled. Root 3 to the power 2n minus 3. Soon, in all the terms, the exponent of root 3 will be odd integer. The terms that are left over, the root 3 to the power will be odd integer. Therefore, all the terms are irrational terms. All irrational terms will be added. So resultant will be
Irrational number.
irrational number. Correct. I'm rubbing it.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Question is value of term independent of x in x plus 1 by x to the power 2 by 3 minus x to the power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus x to the power 1 by 2 to the power n. Well, 13.
So what is the value of term?
Value of term independent of x in this expansion. Independent of x in this expansion is. Shall I start?
Yes, sir.
Just from here I get the hint. What is the formula for a cube plus b cube? If you take x to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus 1 cube, this becomes a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This term will get cancelled. Here x square minus a square, root x whole square minus 1 square. One term will get cancelled. I'm writing it. X to the power 1 by 3 whole cube. A cube plus b cube. This is a, this is b. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So directly or indirectly, in every question, you will get some hint. Here x square, root x whole square minus 1. Divided by, take root x outside. Root x minus 1 gets cancelled. Whole to the power 10. Now it becomes simple. X to the power 1 by 3 plus 1. Here. Minus 1. This divided by this minus 1. Minus x to the power minus half. To the power 10. There is nothing but x to the power 1 by 3 minus x to the power. Up to here, there is no binomial theorem. It's just simplification, algebra. Now, same method, let r plus 1th term will be independent of x. Sorry, yes. बोलेंगे let r plus 1th term is independent of x. Now we'll use binomial. Is independent of x. So what is tr plus 1? NCR x to the power 1 by 3 to the power 10 minus r into minus x to the power minus 1 by 2 r. What is exponent of x 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2. Exponent of x. Equals 10 minus r by 3 minus r by 2 equals 0.
R equal to 4.
4, 6, 2. Correct. Put r equal to 4. X will get cancelled. So minus will also
Sir.
minus 1. Simply 10c4. What is the answer? 10c. What is the answer? X will get cancelled. Minus 1 to the power 4 is 1. Yes? Someone asking something? So therefore, fifth term will be independent of x, p5.
Yes, sir.
10 p5 equal to p4 plus 1 equals 10c4 minus 1 to the power 4. X will get cancelled. 4. Because we have taken exponent of x is 0. What is the value? 10c4?
210.
210, correct. Simple algebra. If you know the formula for a cube plus b cube or not, shall I write it?
Sir, we know, sir.
ठीक है, next. Shall I rub it?
Yes,
1
sir.
minute, sir. Done, sir.
Because today I will do only miscellaneous type problem, not new concept. All these have come in mains, previous years. The remainder left out when eight to the power 2n minus 62 to the power 2n plus 1 is divided by 9. Just 1 minute you try it, then I will do. Saidur Rahman,
Yes, sir.
you came late, you joined late.
No, sir. Only 5 minutes late, sir.
Five. Okay. Any doubt anywhere?
No, sir. No doubt.
Sir, isn't the number negative? 8 power 2n minus 62 power 2n plus 1.
Sir, you are muted, sir.
It's very close. I will check. Okay.
Sir, the number is negative, right?
Two, sir.
No, answer is 2, answer is correct, but they're saying it's if we divide a negative number by some natural number, but this is main question, it's true. Obviously, it's negative number. Their power is more. So better they should write in this form. Because exactly the question, main question is like this. 62 outside. Let us first analyze into 62 to the power 2n. Obviously, 8 to the power 2n minus 60 to the power 2n. This number is negative, definitely. But in the mains, they have written like that. So what should they write? I'm changing it. Yeah, of course, answer is 2, correct. Just let me do in this way. This is 63 minus 1 to the power 2n plus 1 minus
Yes.
8 square. 63 plus 1 to the power n. ठीक है, so 1 plus 63, 1 and power 63 will be added minus 1. Wait. First term will be added. It's confusing. The question is this only. Here minus, only then we will get plus 2 here. See, what is the idea? If you divide by minus 21, divide by 5. Can we say remainder is 1? Remainder is 1. Can we say? The exact question is this. Suppose if it is negative. Wait 1 minute. 64, 63 plus 1 to the power n minus 1 plus 63 to the power n. So this equals 2 times of 1 plus first term will be added, second term will get cancelled, third term. And C2 63 whole square. Whatever numbers will come, because after certain time, after n plus, after certain time, this will stop and this will keep on going negative terms higher power. Yeah, some conceptual mistake in this question, because we can't say till now I haven't seen. If you divide minus 21 by 5, what is the remainder? What can we say?
Remainder is -1.
Remainder cannot be minus negative so far. In polynomial case, we can see, but for integral case, we haven't seen. What they thought, all the other terms will be positive
Yes, sir.
and
Multiple of 9.
multiple of 9, but after certain time, this series will stop and this will keep on
Continuing.
continuing. So negative terms will come. Okay, leave it. In some question, there are some mistakes. Conceptually, some mistake is there. Leave it. Exact question is this. This is JEE main question. Next. Find the value of m comma n. एक बार क्वेश्चन चेक करने दो. It is 1 plus y here. Wait. Here it is 1 plus y. 1 minus y to the power m into 1 plus y to the power n is equal to that. Look at here. You don't want other terms. Second by n. See, after y square, there is no other term. If you multiply that term with this, any of the term, we will get either constant or y square. Okay. So constant, if you expand it, just 1. What is the coefficient of y? Plus nc1 minus mc1. Coefficient of y, this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. Okay, nc1 minus mc1 into y plus what is coefficient of y square? This term multiplied by this mc2, this term multiplied by 1 plus mc2, and these two terms multiplied minus mc1 into mc1 y square. We don't bother any other terms. Once you check the calculation, is it correct? We will compare only these two terms, coefficient of y and coefficient of y square. These two values are given. By multiplying, which term will give us y? This into 1 and this term into 1. That is, coefficient of y is nc1 minus mc1. Come to y square. This term multiplied by 1 plus this term multiplied by 1. Coefficient of y square, and this term multiplied by this term. So this value is m minus n. Therefore, n minus m equal to 10. It is a1. This is a1. Now this one. And m into m minus 1 by 2 plus n into n minus 1 by 2 minus mn equal to 10. So this will be if you simplify this term m square plus n square minus 2mn minus m plus n or n minus m. Minus n plus m. Equal to 20. I can write it m minus n whole square. This is n minus m whole square. From here, n plus m equal to, once you check the calculation, 100 minus 20, 80. This is one equation, this second equation. If you add up 45, n is 45
Yes, sir.
and m is
35.
35. Correct. That's it. ठीक है, any doubt anywhere?
No doubt, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
Similar. Coefficient of x to the power n in 1 plus x into 1 minus x to the power n is, just calculate the coefficients. Similar way, same as previous question, 1 plus x to the power to 1 minus x to the power n. Keep the first factor as it is. Expand the second factor 1
NCN
minus
minus 1 minus 1.
into 2 x square plus NCn minus 1 x to the power n minus 1. What will be the coefficient depending on here minus 1 to the power 2, here minus 1 to the power 1 plus. If you take plus sign, minus 1 to the power 1 minus plus sign minus 1 to the power 2. So here it will be what? Just minus 1 to the power how much? What will be here? Minus 1 to the power how much? See, if I write here plus minus 1 to the power 1 plus minus 1 to the power 2.
2.
So here what will be it? Minus 1 to the power
Minus.
n minus 1. Just try to put it sequence. Plus minus 1 to the power n into. Is it visible here?
No, sir.
NCn x to the power n. Or else plus minus 1 to the power this, minus 1 common. Now, if you multiply this term, we want what? Coefficient of x to the power n. If you multiply this term with 1 here, we'll get x to the power n. And if you multiply this term with this, we'll get what? X to the power n.
To power n.
Coefficient of x to the power n is minus NCn is 1.
1.
Plus this into x to the power n minus 1 to the power n minus 1 to NCn minus 1. That's it. 1 into this x to the power n. What is the coefficient? This. Plus x into this x to the power n. What is the coefficient? This term into 1. I've written it. So simplify. Both the values are same. It is NCn. Sorry. It is NCn. So minus 1 to the power n plus minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into n. This is n. So minus 1 to the power n minus 1 common. Here we are left with minus 1 plus n. Okay. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Option is given minus 1 to the power n. Option in the form this. Take minus 1 common. 1 minus n. Same thing. Either you put it in first form or second form.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir.
See, most of the questions are based on basics only. And see,
Sir, 1 minute, sir, last part.
one more. This also we have discussed in some form. The value of 50C4 plus summation of R going from 1 to 6. 6 minus R.
R equal to 1 to, what is that, sir?
1 to 6.
Not visible.
$56 minus R, C3.
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
All these, see, we have covered only basics only. And whatever we have discussed, all are based on that. See, this also we have discussed. If you put, what is this result? Whenever this kind of expressions are there, you'll think of this result. Is n plus 1, CR for R equal to 1, or for R equal to 6. This is 50, 50C3. Just write the series from the end. For R equal to 6, it is 50C3. 50C3 plus 50C4. We can merge it. Writing the series from the end. I'm writing the series from the end. 50C3 for R equal to 6, 50C3 plus for R equal to 5, 51C3, 52C3, 53C3, 54C3 plus 55C3, R equal to 1. This is expansion. And what is first term? 50C, 50C4. You understood it, what I wrote? Just
Understood.
understood. This first term for R equal to 6, 50C3, just to merge these two terms. This will be 51C4. Again, we can merge this and this. 52C4. So what is the answer? What is the answer?
55C4.
55C. Huh? At the end, it will be 55C4 plus 55C4, C3. After merging, keep on merging. What will be answer?
56C4.
56C4.
4.
Okay. ठीक है मैं डिस्कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ आई एम डिस्कनेक्टिंग
Questions for this weekend exam.
बोलो ना वट एवर बाइनोमियल आई विल टीच अप टू हियर देन क्वाड्रेटिक
Yes.
Both.
Quadratic question.
या क्वाड्रेटिक प्लस वट एवर अप टू बाइनोमियल
Yes.
shall I disconnect?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.